Hello everyone, this is Algebra and we have this question to solve. Okay, now if you are a student and you are wise and the question given, maybe it is quiz or competition, you can just look at this and look for the value, all right, the value of x that satisfies this, that will make the left hand side and the right hand side be equals to 0. That is, if it is objective question, that is multiple choice. Just look at it. If you put 1 here and put 1 here, obviously x equals 1. Good. That is what we are going to get. Now, but for problem solving, or let's say they want you to solve, this is what you are going to do. And that's where I'm going. We've already gotten the x to be 1, but don't go yet. Learn how to solve too. Okay? Do this. I have x squared. S squared minus, this one can be written as 1 squared because 1 squared is same thing as 1 equals x minus 1 squared. Don't disturb yourself by, or what I can still do is what I can rewrite this one also by x minus 1. So now there is a trick I want to show you. Are you getting now? For you to be able to know that yes, you have upgraded, okay, in mathematics. Don't open the bracket yet. There's something I want to show you. Now here, the left hand side here, if we have a squared minus b squared, the same thing as a minus b, a plus b. We call it difference of two squares. So you can see that the left hand side is same thing as this. So we can have this to be x minus 1, x plus 1. The left hand side equals x minus 1, x minus 1. Now, there's another thing you have to take note here. Don't say because we have x minus 1 here, x minus 1 here, so this one will be cancelled. Okay, now if you now have x plus 1 equals x minus 1, you see that you will not get the value of x here, because if you take this x down here, it will change to negative. X minus x becomes 0, and that is what are we looking for again. So don't do that. Okay, don't do that. This is what you're going to have. This is what you are going to do. We have x minus 1, then we have x minus 1. So what we are going to do now is that let's take this, okay, down here. Okay, we can have this to be, or this, let's take it to the other side. We can have x minus 1 minus x minus 1 x plus 1 then equals 0. Now from here, we are taking our time because we are doing it together. So left to me, it doesn't take me too much time to do. So here you can see we have x minus 1 and x minus 1. X minus 1 is here, so which means x minus 1 is what? Is common. We factorize it out. This place we are going to be left with x minus 1. Then here, this x minus 1, we cancel this x minus 1. We have minus x plus 1 then equals 0. So now from here, we have x minus 1. Now x minus 1 minus, to open the bracket, minus times x, we have minus x, minus times this, we have minus 1. Then equal what? Equals 0. So now from here, you know that this, we cancel this because x minus x will be what? Will be 0. So now from there, we are left with x minus 1 equals, sorry, x minus 1, okay, then multiply by, here we have minus 2 minus, our minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2, then equals what? Equal to 0. So from there, when you divide both sides by minus 2, okay, this we cancel this, we have x minus 1 to be 0, then x is going to be, taking this to the right hand side is going to be 1. So we have x to be 1. And that's the solution, okay? If you enjoyed this class, please share to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.